Hi guys, Sullivan here in Philadelphia. So let's do some drawing. I went out and took some drone footage of the Potager garden. Well, I can't even call it a garden. You guys know it's like a mess. And did some sketching directly onto the overhead image, which, well, it would have been nice to be able to sketch on a blank slate rather than over the big mess. But the nice thing is that drawing this way at least gave me some opportunity to check scale and things like that. And you'll see in a few versions of the drawings, I'm sort of struggling still with laying out the space. The second drawing, which I have condensed down into a few minutes because it's probably like a 2-hour drawing process, is an overhead bird's eye view in the Morpholio Trace app. Somebody from Morpholio reached out to me having seen some of my other drawing videos and offered me the chance to check out their app. So I'm actually using and learning the app on these 2 drawing projects. So today is Birdseye. There are some really interesting tools in the Morpholio Trace app that I think you'll really get to see in this overhead view, because their stencil tool and their super ruler are just like awesome tools for somebody that has a big imagination but wants to make sure that I'm not designing things that aren't going to fit in my space. This does seem like a very powerful tool specifically for landscape design drawing because of the scale features. The next phase of this, where I take this kind of overhead big idea, you can see I'm considering this kind of like wave border that might come out and enclose the vegetable garden space. And I'm going to draw that in perspective. to see if I can make that work. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you soon.